I have shared this file with you again, and this is the for today. I have added some content. This we have done yesterday, and this is for today content. Okay, this one is for today content. So what we need to do now, we need to create our bean. Okay, we need to create our own bean. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So there is a file, config file. Okay, this we need to create a config file, config package. So in this we will create a file appconfig.java. So this is our configuration related file which has this package config. So in the what we need in the, like if you want to create your own bean, you can create your bean in this appconfig.java. Is this clear? If you want to create your own bean, you can create in appconfig.java. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Like we discussed, application context, right? From 2 days, we are discussing this part, application context. I hope you know now what is application context. Yes. What this application context will do, it will create the beans, okay? And how it create the beans, that also I have shown in evening session. In afternoon session, I discuss in very detailed form that how application context will create beans. I discuss this part with you, if you remember, how the application context will create the beans. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now you can create your own bean. If you want to create your own bean, then what you can do, if you want to create your own bean, just I told you few minutes back. If you want to create your own bean, what you need to do? Or should I repeat this? You want to create your own bean. The procedure is clear, or should I repeat this? Hello.
So
Hello.
we will use at the rate bean.
You can use @bean also, but there is a special package config and there is a special file appconfig.java. So your application context will will try to search beans in these files also. Okay. If you create a bean in this appconfig.java, then your application context will try to find the available beans in this file also, and it will create those beans. Although you can create the bean using @bean, that is one of the alternative also. But this is one of the another way. Is this clear?
So please repeat.
Like you have told na, that we can create the beans by @bean. So that is also okay. But there is another way to create the beans, and this is one of the method to create the bean. You have to create a package config. Inside this package, you have to create a file appconfig.java. So when your application will start, your Spring Boot will create all the beans, and it will also look for that particular file, whether any bean is available in that file or not. If any file, if the bean is available in that file, then your Spring Boot also create beans from that file. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is our task now? Our task is to create a bean in appconfig. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So what we need to do, we need to create this package config, and inside this package, we have to add appconfig.java. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the application. So you also open your application, and once you open it, let me know. Then we will do some changes. So once you open it, let me know. Then we will do some changes.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Okay. So you have to, what we need to do, we have to right click. This is our main package now, pom.example.payment. So inside this, you have to create a new package, and the package name is config. Okay. And inside the package, we have to create a Java class, new Java class, app config. Done? If you're done, let me know.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now you open this file also. So here you have to copy paste this code. This is the code for app config. Have you copy paste this code? Let me know once you copy paste it.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So what we are done here, we are saying that this is our bean. This is the name of the bean, payment processor. This is payment processor. Okay. This is our bean, and its type is payment processor. It will accept this kind of data, a map, and it will return you this. It will return you this. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whatever the, so yesterday we did map. Okay. Yesterday we did this part. So these are all in the map, na? So they all will be created automatically. This is our map part. So this all will be created automatically. These dependencies will be created automatically when you inject this part. So this was our payment processor. This was our payment process. Okay. So here we are saying that what it will return, what it will accept. Okay. It will return you the services and it will accept the services in the form of map, and it will return you your kind of service that you require. Is this clear?
No, sir.
Now what we need to do, we need to change the we need to change the main method. In the main, we need to write this part. So earlier, if you go to the main method, so this was the part that we have done yesterday. I will put this into a comment. How to put a multi-line comment, you have to write this slash star and at the end star slash for multi-line comment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This slash star and where you need to end slash star. Okay. Now you need to replace this code with this one. This all will be in the multi-line command. I'll try to run this. And if you see, we get the output, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what code we have previously is I'll show you here only. So here what we are doing. So if you see this is here we are calling process payment. Okay. We are calling process payment. Payment processor. So this is the payment processor. Dot process payment. We are giving these two data. And based on this data, it will process the request. Payment service dot process request will work. This is the payment service. Okay, process request will work. And this is our main program. And earlier we are having this thing. Okay, earlier this was the code. Okay. The code is same. Okay. Whatever we done yesterday, the code is same. Only the thing is that we added a new file. app config. Is this clear? Rest of the code is same. So have you done this? Are you getting the output?
Yes, sir.
You get the output?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you have done this. I will also paste the screenshot in the WhatsApp group. I hope you all are done. Have you done? Are you getting the output?
Yes, sir.
So what we have done, we have added only this. We create a new configuration file. So what it will do, it will also create beans for you. Okay. So it will create a bean for payment processor, and this bean is related to these beans, which are, it will see what is there in the map. Okay, so this is related to those beans. So it will create those beans also, like Stripe, Square, PayPal. These all maps will be created. Service, or it will, so whatever the service you require, it will return those service. Now, if you are okay, so the bean that you are that is created, this bean, uh, the bean is in app config. It is singleton. You know what is singleton? You know what is singleton? The bean that is created here is singleton. You know what is singleton? Yes or no?
Sir, only one value of.
Only one object is created, which is shared by everyone. Okay, is this clear? Only one object will
Yes,
be
sir.
created that is shared by everyone. So we can check here also in the notes. This is singleton proof. So you can replace the code with this one. I am waiting for this to complete. It is running now. So if you see, uh, here you get the same output, na? If the numbers are same, if you see, yes or no, I highlighted this 55828 66449. Have you seen this? Yes or no? Is this visible to you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what it means? You are getting an output like this that is shown in the comment. What it means? You are getting an output like this, na? What it means?
Sir, I don't know.
It means we created two payment processors, P1 and P2. Okay, it is running. It is what input? What is the run method? The run means when you run, you are providing two inputs, P1 and a P2. What is the type of P1 and P2? When your main program is running, it provides, we are providing two inputs, P1 and P2. What is the type of P1 and P2?
Payment processor.
Payment processor. It means both P1 and P2 are sharing the same memory. Okay, because it is singleton. Only one object will be created. Is this clear? That's why this comes out to be true. True means they are pointing to same memory. So here we are comparing the memory number of P1 and P2. And if you want to see the memory number of P1 and P2, there is a function hash code. Hash code will give you the memory number of P1. Here hash code will give you the memory number of P2, and they comes out to be same because they are pointing to the same memory. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the proof that they are singleton. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is happening here? This is our run method. Run method. What type of run method you are using? Command line, because you are getting the output in the command line here. And in the run method, we are defining how to run the method. So here, how to run the method? We are saying, okay, take two inputs. They are both objects of the same class, payment processor. And in this curly braces, we are giving our code to run. And what is this string args? This is the by default. This is the by default argument of the run method. Okay. This is by default the argument of the run method. So it will run this code. Whatever the code is defined in the arrow, that will be run. So yesterday I told you to, I give you a homework. Okay, if you remember. Yes, this what is anonymous class and lambda functions. So this code is related to that part only, anonymous class and lambda functions. So when this run, what is run? Run is the is the method of the interface. Okay. So we are implementing the interface method run. So it will run this code, whatever the code you are giving in the curly braces here. So here we are checking the hash codes. Hash code means we are checking the memories. So they comes out to be same. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes. Anything you want to ask? Now, if you see the nodes, so what we have done till now, we create a separate package, okay, and we create the bean in that package. We create config package. In the config package, we create app-config.java. In this, we define a bean. So this is the bean that we defined. Okay, this is just for the demonstration that we can create our custom beans. If you want to create a bean, there is a file app-config.java. If you define some beans, so they will be automatically created for you. Okay. Then we make the main code short. Earlier the code was long. We make it short. Earlier this part, this new objects we are creating separately, but we are creating in the argument only. So that we have done. Then we have seen the singleton proof. Okay, that I told you that whatever the beans are we are creating here, they by default are singleton. Okay. So apart from singleton, what there are, so singleton is one of the scope. What do you mean by scope? You know what is scope? You know what is scope? Yes or no? You know what is scope?
What's
What is
so
scope?
COM
No, scope. SCOPE.
scope? Acha.
it's basically the lifetime of the object.
Yes, lifetime of the
That-
object.
Yes.
Right. So if you see singleton, one object forever. Lifetime is one object forever. Is this clear? One object will be created forever until you shut down your app. Okay. Once you start the app till you shut down the app, this one object will remain forever. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now there are other scopes also that I have. What are the other scopes? Prototype. This is one of the scope. So what prototype means? How prototype is different from singleton? You can read here.
There in singleton, one object is used for everything, and in prototype, new object is created every time.
Yes. That is the difference. Like example is also given shopping cart. Each user will have their own shopping cart. We cannot share the shopping cart with each other. Is this clear? Every user will have its own shopping cart. We cannot share the shopping cart with each other. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So like here, if you have created, so okay, like here, we have discussed singleton because payment processor, the processor is same for everyone. Like in your laptop, the processor is same. Applications will be different. Is this clear? Is that clear? The processor is same. Application might be different. So the prototype is scope. If the prototype is scope, it means every object will have its own no shared memory. So what it means, if I use the prototype scope, so this doesn't come out if the hash code will be different. Okay, and this comes out to be false. In which case, if the scope is prototype, is this clear? This all input will come in a different way. Okay, it will be false and memories will be different. Is this clear to you? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we have another scope, request, session, and application. Requests work for HTTP and session works for login and logout. Okay, its session scope is login and logout. So what is the use of session? That data can be shared. Okay, in the sessions, one page can share the data with other page. Is this clear? Session is clear. One page can share the data with other page until you log out. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now your task is, we have now your task is to create this project structure. Is this project structure visible to you? I have shared this file in your WhatsApp group also. Is this clear to you? Is this visible? Is this visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So now here what we are doing, I have created a new file, shopping cart. Okay, this new file is created, shopping cart. Why we created this? Because we are implementing scope prototype. Is this clear? Why we included this? Is this clear to you?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
This to show you how, because in this shopping cart file, which is here, we are using this part, scope. Okay. Scope type is prototype. Is this clear? Is this clear? And then what we are doing, we are updating this payment application. Okay. we are updating this payment application. Okay. So this will be your expected output. Now your task is to add these two files. You need to modify this payment application.java and you need to add this shopping cart.java. Is this clear? You just need to, I provide the codes, you just need to copy paste them. Okay, and run the program. Is this clear? Is that clear? The task is clear.
Yes, sir.
So how many modifications are required and how many new files are required? How many modified files are required and how many new files are required?
So one modified file payment application
And one
and
new.
one new file
ठीक है, ठीक.
for shopping
Right.
cart.
Right. So you do this task and let me know. Okay. Just copy. You have to just create a new file here inside the model. Okay. And you need to modify this payment application.java. Okay. Yesterday you show me the things. So they all are in the same package. So if you do in this way, then also the program will run. Okay. But here just we are segregating the things. Okay. Is that clear? The way you are doing, that is also fine. But here we are doing some segregation. If you just create those two files, modify this file and create a new file, then also it will work fine. Okay. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And try to do this. And this should be your expected output.